If you want to write out SQL codes, then what you can do is you can utilize a specialized ChatGPT called SQL Expert. So to do that, you need to go around onto the Explore GPT's area, and over here you can see that SQL Expert is an option. Once you go around over here, you can go around and start the chat right here, and then SQL Expert has been loaded up, as you can see right here. So what you can do around over here is type in, let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say make a table with 5 columns regarding different types of fruits right here, and make sure that there are different data types right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So I have different fruits right here, so just like this, fruits, and make sure that there are different data types. So if I were to go around and type that in, then you can see that it actually goes around and then creates out a table right here, just like this, and then creates another SQL query that I can entry out, so that I can go around and enter out the data as well, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have right here. So you can see that you get the SQL query right here, you get the SQL query right here. So now add in 10 more data right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then you can see that it adds in from 6 right here, and now it says insert into fruits right here, just like this, and you got 10 more data around over here, just like this as well. And yeah, it says after running these SQL statements, the fruits table will have the following data around over here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and utilize the SQL Expert to actually get out the SQL queries that you can enter in any SQL query editor or a database administrator of your choice. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.